Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Ave in Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this pre-owned 2016 Ford F-350 Platinum. The exterior color is black, and under the hood we have a 6.7 liter Power Stroke V8 diesel engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have auto headlamps and fog lamps and tow hooks, and over at the side we have 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Salem tires. At the rear we have privacy tinted glass and a backup camera. And at the interior we have power locks, mirrors, and windows. As we move closer into the cabin, you will see our black leather seating. Over at the steering column are auto headlamp settings. We have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control to the left, and to the right we have our media and hands-free options. Above we have a power sunroof. As we look ahead, you will see we have Bluetooth connection, navigation, wireless internet, and AM/FM radio. Below we have our dual climate control area, which includes heating and air conditioning for the entire cabin. And at the rear we have door storage, cup holders, and power windows. Our heated bench seating provides a ton of legroom and headspace. If there are any more questions about this 2016 Ford F-350 Platinum, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We'd like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.